Who's gonna steer the ship?
Elijah.
Elijah, are you steering? Sorry.
Yeah, I'm steering the wheel.
Where are you? Can you peek out? There you are. And what are you doing, Jaden? Look through it. Look up. There you go.
What do you see?
I see something big.
You see? Is it the pirate? Is it the pirate Robert?
Yes.
All right.
Get a bullet! Get a bullet! Push something, get the bullet.
Where's your sword and shield? You're fighting on the king's ship, remember?
Ah! It's all wet.
Oh, you.
Wet.
No, actually, it's not wet. There's no sprinklers that came on.
Not the sprinklers. A little bit of rain came down when we were sleeping.
You can go down the slide.
Elijah,
All right, Sir Gallant.
telescope?
Be careful.
I'm not done with the telescope yet.
You can move it up higher.
There you go. Who do you see in there?
I see Daddy. I see Pirate Robert Daddy.
Pirate Robert Daddy.
Typical too.
And Takoa too, the princess? You see the princess. You're going to have to rescue her from Pirate Robert.
Okay.
Are you getting closer?
Now I'm getting closer and closer.
Okay.
I'm on my pouch. I'm on my way. The work is not done yet. The work is not done. Okay. I'll steer it.
Now it's Captain Jaden.
Captain, I like it.
Watch out for the big waves. You gotta steer it really easy. Watch out for the octopus.
Where is it? Over there?
Oh, Elisha just shot it.
I shot it in the water. It's not the shooting gun. I shot it in the water.
You did.
That's a telescope.
It's a
It's not how.
Yeah, don't twist that off.
What's that off, Elijah?
No, don't.
Another octopus in the water. It's full.
Get it. Get it. Good job.
Now there's no more.
Can you say thank you to everybody who's worked hard on the playset?
Thank you.
And this is the whole Megillah.
This is the whole pirate ship.
The whole pirate ship. The whole captain ship.
Hey, Robin's on the rock.
Bye, pirates.
Let's get him!